Welcome to Agri Chronicles, where we journey into the heart of the countryside to uncover the remarkable stories behind the food on our tables. Here we celebrate nature's unsung heroes in agriculture, creatures whose daily efforts often go unnoticed, yet are absolutely essential for thriving farms and healthy harvests. Today we shine a light on the bumblebee, a plump, fuzzy visitor whose quiet, tireless work powers our harvests and sustains the landscapes we cherish. While honeybees often steal the spotlight, bumblebees are uniquely skilled pollinators, especially for crops that honeybees can't handle. Their larger bodies and special techniques allow them to access flowers that other bees simply can't reach. Their impact is profound, from juicier tomatoes to sweeter strawberries, and even crops like peppers and blueberries benefit from their visits. Bumblebees often make the difference between a mediocre and a bumper crop, helping farmers achieve more abundant yields and better quality produce. Bumblebees are not just charming countryside features. They're essential partners for farmers, boosting yields, improving crop quality, and supporting the entire ecosystem. In this episode, we'll uncover what makes bumblebees special, from their unique pollination methods to their incredible resilience in changing environments. We'll explore how their pollination benefits specific crops, ensuring better fruit set and higher nutritional value in the foods we eat. And we'll see why their presence signals a thriving, balanced ecosystem, one where plants, animals, and people all flourish together. We'll also see how farmers benefit from welcoming bumblebees. Beyond bigger harvests, it means healthier crops, improved soil, and a more sustainable way of farming. With more bumblebees, there's less need for chemicals, as natural pollination supports plant health and reduces pests. So let's look closer at these furry powerhouses and discover why they're vital to sustainable farming, biodiversity, and the future of our food. By the end, you'll see the bumblebee not just as a charming insect, but as a key ally in our shared agricultural future, one we must protect and appreciate. What sets bumblebees apart from other insects, and why are they so important to our environment? Their large furry bodies, often striped in black and yellow, make them easy to spot as they buzz from flower to flower. This distinctive appearance isn't just for show. It helps warn predators that bumblebees can defend themselves if threatened. The UK is home to 24 native bumblebee species, each with its own favourite flowers, colours and habitats. Some prefer wild meadows, while others thrive in gardens or along hedgerows, making them a familiar sight across the countryside. Unlike honeybees' massive, long-lived colonies, bumblebee nests are small, temporary, and often hidden underground or tucked away in garden sheds. These nests usually last just a single season, with new queens starting fresh each spring. Bumblebees are generalist foragers, moving between many flower types, which makes them excellent pollinators for a wide range of wildflowers and crops. Their ability to visit so many different plants helps keep ecosystems healthy and productive. Their hairy bodies are perfectly designed to pick up and transfer lots of pollen with every visit, ensuring that plants can reproduce and thrive. This makes bumblebees some of the most effective pollinators in nature. Unlike honeybees, bumblebees can fly in cooler, cloudier weather thanks to their ability to generate heat by shivering their flight muscles. This unique adaptation allows them to be active when other pollinators are still waiting for the sun. This means they're out pollinating earlier in the morning and later in the evening, extending the pollination window and giving plants more opportunities to be fertilized. Despite their ability to sting, bumblebees are gentle and rarely aggressive, more interested in flowers than people. They'll usually ignore humans unless directly threatened. Their peaceful nature makes them safe companions in fields and gardens where they quietly go about their vital work. Recognizing their value is the first step to coexisting with these vital insects. By understanding and protecting bumblebees, we help ensure a healthy, vibrant environment for everyone. Bumblebees have a secret weapon, buzz pollination, also known as sonication. This remarkable ability sets them apart from many other pollinators and gives them a unique role in nature. Some crops, like tomatoes, peppers, and blueberries, hide their pollen deep inside their flowers, only releasing it through very specific vibrations. These plants have evolved to keep their pollen locked away, making it inaccessible to most insects. Honeybees, for example, can't access this hidden pollen, no matter how hard they try. But bumblebees, with their powerful muscles and special technique, can, by gripping the flower tightly and vibrating their flight muscles at just the right frequency, bumblebees shake loose a cloud of pollen. This pollen clings to their fuzzy bodies, ready to be carried to the next flower. This unique skill is why commercial tomato growers around the world rely on bumblebees. Before bumblebees were used, pollination had to be done by hand, using vibrating tools to mimic the bee's natural buzz, a time-consuming and costly process. The arrival of bumblebees revolutionized glasshouse growing, making pollination more natural, efficient, and reliable. Now, greenhouses can produce more fruit with less effort. Their buzz pollination unlocks the full reproductive potential of many crops, boosting both yields and quality. The result is healthier plants and more abundant harvests. Without bumblebees, these crops would be much harder and more expensive to produce, and yields would suffer. The difference is clear when you compare fields with and without bumblebee pollination. It's a perfect example of co-evolution, plants and pollinators working together for mutual benefit, each adapting to help the other thrive. Harnessing this powerful partnership is key to the future of modern agriculture, ensuring food security and healthy ecosystems for generations to come. Bumblebees benefit a wide range of crops, especially those needing buzz pollination. Tomatoes, peppers, and aubergines thrive with bumblebee visits, producing more and better quality fruit. Soft fruits like strawberries and raspberries are larger and more perfectly formed when bumblebees pollinate them. Blueberries and cranberries also see bigger yields and fruit size thanks to bumblebees. In orchards, bumblebees are crucial during cool, damp springs when honeybees stay in their hives. Their resilience ensures fruit trees like apples and cherries get pollinated even in poor weather. Field beans and broad beans depend on long-tongued bumblebees for pollination, while oilseed rape benefits from their efficiency. Bumblebees' ability to work in challenging conditions makes them invaluable across the farm. Their presence guarantees better harvests, whatever the weather. Scientific research confirms the benefits of bumblebees on the farm. Fields with healthy bumblebee populations see up to 30% higher yields in crops like strawberries with larger, more marketable fruit. In orchards, bumblebee pollination leads to more fruit set, bigger apples, and better storage quality. Beans and peas produce more pods and seeds when bumblebees are present, directly boosting profits. Oilseed rape yields are higher thanks to thorough pollination. Bumblebees' messy foraging promotes cross-pollination, enhancing crop diversity and vigor. Investing in bumblebee health is one of the smartest moves a farmer can make. Excellent pollination doesn't just mean more fruit. It creates stronger, healthier plants. Well-pollinated crops allocate energy efficiently, growing vigorously and resisting pests and diseases. Poor pollination stresses plants, making them vulnerable to pests and fungal infections. Thriving plants, thanks to bumblebees, need fewer chemical treatments, saving money and reducing environmental impact. Encouraging bumblebees is a natural form of pest management, building resilience into the farm ecosystem. It's a step towards holistic, sustainable agriculture. The bumblebee is more than a pollinator. It's a partner in farm health. Fostering these alliances leads to abundant, robust, and sustainable harvests. How can you attract bumblebees to your land? It's easier than you think. Provide a season-long supply of nectar and pollen by planting diverse flowers that bloom from spring to autumn. Wild flower strips, clover, vetch, and flowering trees like willow and apple are great choices. Leave some areas wild. Long grass, log piles, and hedgerows make perfect nesting sites. You can even build simple bumblebee nest boxes and avoid deep tilling near field edges to protect hibernating queens. Most importantly, use chemicals sparingly and carefully. Avoid spraying open flowers and choose bee-safe alternatives whenever possible. Thoughtful pest management protects pollinators and supports their vital work. Small changes can make your farm or garden a haven for bumblebees. The rewards are healthier crops and a thriving ecosystem. The humble bumblebee is a powerhouse of pollination and a key to sustainable agriculture. Their unique skills boost yields, improve crop quality, and build natural resilience against pests. Supporting bumblebees is a smart strategic move for any grower. Take action. Plant more flowers, provide safe nesting sites, and use chemicals wisely. Watch for bumblebees on your land. Their presence signals a healthy environment. Thank you for joining Agri Chronicles. Share your bee-friendly efforts and stories with us. Follow our channel for more on the beneficial insects that help our farms thrive. Together, we can ensure bumblebees continue to buzz across our fields for generations to come.